Hello guys and welcome back to NewYorkDashCam channel, a channel featuring some of the most exciting and best road moments captured on driver's dashcam. So make sure to sit tight for this one, because you'll definitely enjoy.
So I ended up going up onto the curb and down, and I noticed. Jesus! Whoa! That don't look good at all, really.
Impatient driver in front of the camera got really sick and tired of waiting at the traffic lights, so he decided to do the unthinkable and run a red light. Pay close attention at this rude driver in a Mercedes. Of course, it had to be a Mercedes driver, because he used the wrong lanes on multiple occasions simply to get ahead of traffic. Pay close attention at this crazy driver in front of the camera here. Out of all the things he could have done at a roundabout, I'm pretty sure that this is definitely not how you're supposed to use them.
7:45 tonight. I'm assuming it's on normal TV as well, because I'm not seeing you.
Yeah, passionate driving. Good evening, Nicky.
This crazy driver passed the biker on the left side and he forced him out of his lane. But that's not the worst part. Once the biker stopped at the next traffic lights, this happened.
An asshole, man, but if you don't know how to ride it, be careful, man.
I've been doing this like 6 years. This is my second sport bike. I had a Z1000.
I'm not trying to be a jerk.
No, but you passed me on the left. I have a video. I'll record the whole thing.
I'm not trying to be a jerk.
And you pushed me on the left, so don't.
I was just trying to get around you. I wasn't trying to be.
I'm going right.
I wasn't trying to be an asshole.
I was going to go straight. You came on my left.
Hey, I wasn't trying to be a jerk.
I'm going that way.
I was just trying to get around you, and you gunned
on the left.
Yeah, because there's two lanes right here.
I was in the left lane.
Well, it looked like you were going in the right. I wasn't trying to offend you.
It's okay. That's why I gunned it, and then I want to go this way.
Hey, we're good. We're good. I wasn't trying to offend you.
I know.
I was trying to get around you.
I know it's Texas people, you know.
Yeah.
But I was on the left, and I don't want to block traffic. I had to get out of there because I don't have anything around me.
Hey, no. I just want to make sure you didn't think I was pissed off at you. I was trying to get around you, I thought. And it looked like you were trying to take the ride.
No, I have the whole lane, so like I'm on the far right of the lane because there's a left turn. I'm not taking a left, I was going straight.
Yeah, you're good, man. Hey, I'm not trying to piss you off.
Alright.
Cameron caught some crazy and self-entitled drivers on his dashcam. There are a lot of them out there, and if you're not careful enough, you might easily become a casualty on the road. You'll see some of the usual mistakes of drivers running red lights, not stopping at the stop signs, cutting others off, and many more. Take notes, people, and avoid making the same mistakes.
Why's that lopsided? Wait, hold on. Did somebody run a red light? Did he run the red light? He must have run the red light. I don't know. I don't know. You didn't stop before you turned. You just ran the red. Thank you. Yeah! Stay on that side, are you? highly doubt that you stopped. Highly doubt that you stopped. Yeah, you probably didn't stop either. Thank you. Jesus. You have a stop sign, you head! Exit dive. Let's go. Wait, there was no left. What are you doing, dude? Gee, what, dude? Stay in your lane, stay in your lane, stay in your lane. Hi, someone's coming. Slow down, because I'm not going to stop. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. You just look at me and go, no problem. Ugh, God damn it, people. Just zoom out in front of me, honey. Not a problem. Turd. A little faster, and somebody's coming, and hi, thank you, Grandpa. Yeah, just. Damn it.
Whenever you come across a stop sign, always make sure to stop as you're supposed to, because you can easily cause a wreck if you disobey it.
In the firing squad. Laura Loomer said that they speak occasionally. Quote, he knows I'm a Trump loyalist. Found common ground on making sure Ron DeSantis is never elected president of the United States ever.
And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on Dashcam channel. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and maybe learning something valuable. After all, we will really appreciate that. And if you support my work, don't hesitate to leave a like because that will mean the world. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.